In this video we will modify an existing image to make a new icon. We copy and paste a recycling symbol from another file. After deleting unwanted parts, we group the recycling symbol. After moving unwanted parts from our icon, we select the recycling icon and click Copy Attributes from the Edit menu. We want to copy the outline and outline color. After clicking OK, we click the object with the outline we want to copy. We make the icon look as we want it and use Shift arrow keys for a super nudge to move the items to where we want them. Now select the Star tool and hold down Ctrl key to constrain the angle. Again, we copy the outline properties from the hand icon. Drag the star and click the right mouse button. Holding down Ctrl key will keep the duplicate level. Press Ctrl and R to repeat this 3 times. Group the 5 stars and place them where you wish.